Marhaba, it's Amir speaking. In this lesson we will learn how to say in Arabic language, be crowded with, be crowded with. So, let's start the lesson. Before starting the lesson, let's know what does be crowded with in Arabic language. Be crowded with. We can express its meaning with several words in Arabic language, like we can use مزدحم با, مكتظ با, and محتشد با. So, مزدحم, it comes from ازدحم يزدحم ازدحاما. ازدحم يزدحم ازدحاما, to overcrowd. And مكتظ با, it comes from اكتظ يكتظ اكتظاظا. اكتظ يكتظ اكتظاظا, to congest, to congest. As far as the محتشد با concerned, it comes from احتشد يحتشد احتشادا. احتشد يحتشد احتشادا, to crowd. And now, let's see some examples to understand this well. So, the first example is, I found the hotel crowded with foreign tourists. I found the hotel, وجدت الفندق, crowded, مزدحما. وجدت الفندق مزدحما, with foreign tourists, بالسياح الأجانب. I found the hotel crowded with foreign tourists. وجدت الفندق مزدحما بالسياح الأجانب. Why is this store so crowded with people? Why is this store? لماذا هذا المتجر so crowded, مزدحم جدا. لماذا هذا المتجر مزدحم جدا, with people, بالناس. Why is this store so crowded with people? لماذا هذا المتجر مزدحم جدا بالناس. The shelf was crowded with books. The shelf was, كان الرف, crowded, مكتظا, with books, بالكتب. The shelf was crowded with books. كان الرف مكتظا بالكتب. And the last example is, the cinema was crowded with people. The cinema was, كان السينما, crowded, محتشدا. كان السينما محتشدا, with people, بالناس. The cinema was crowded with people. كان السينما محتشدا بالناس. I hope you got it. If you like the lesson, please tap the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.